Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your VPN subscription is active and your device and Netflix app are restarted. Once done, update the VPN app to the latest release and pick a streaming-optimized server or a dedicated IP if available, because Netflix blocks shared IPs. Also clear cookies and cache so old location tokens don't persist. Make sure IP6 is disabled to prevent leaks. These steps remove common blockers and get you into the streaming-ready state. Next, fix the network-level issues that reveal your real location. Flush the local DNS cache and switch to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 so names resolve consistently. Then test for IP and DNS leaks. If a leak shows your true location, change servers or enable the kill switch. Leaks are why Netflix detects and blocks you. If device apps keep failing, set the VPN on your router or use the provider's smart DNS feature. This often bypasses app-level blocks. Finish by restarting the VPN and the streaming device, then play a short title to confirm success. This validates the session and any new IP. If Netflix still refuses playback, immediately switch servers or try another country, because rotating addresses can bypass blocks. Contact your VPN support if problems persist. They can recommend specific servers or a dedicated IP. One key troubleshooting tip: a dedicated IP or a streaming-focused add-on dramatically reduces blocks. Use it when shared IPs repeatedly fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.